Hello, this is Bryan McGlynn with MarineMax in Stuart, Florida. Today we're going to take you guys through a beautiful listing. We have a 2023 Scout 305 LXF in really nice condition. So this boat's very well appointed. Starting here on the port side, we have the crystal blue hull side color with the full hull color upgrade all the way down to the keel. White boot stripe, port side dive door. In typical Scout fashion, large bow flare, giving you a nice dry ride, but also looks really good as well. Windlass anchor. As we move over to the starboard side, you can see the hull sides are in great condition, mirror-like finish. We're powered with twin 300 Mercury Verados. These are V8s, 200 engine hours with joystick control. Large swim platform, as you can see, in typical Scout fashion. No motor well, so you have easy access from port to starboard side. As we step into the cockpit, you'll see Scout does a great job of offering a boat that has a lot of fishing features. So 2 large fish boxes in the deck, rod holders, outriggers, live wells, but also is a boat that keeps the whole family happy. So large fixed bench seat here in the back, sink, plenty of rod holders and storage drawers. Again, port side dive door. Nice gunnel height going all the way up to the bow, and it gets higher as you go forward. Here at the helm, we've equipped this boat very nicely. Twin Garmin screens, Mercury vessel view here in the center, new style Mercury throttles, joystick with your docking features, autopilot. We do have helm AC with vents here at the helm and in the cabin. Full enclosure around the helm, so 3-piece glass windshield with some ventilation at the top. JL speakers built into the hardtop. Again, nice cabin down below, sleeping if you ever need it. Your dive ladder for your dive door is mounted right against the wall. Air conditioned in that area. Moving up to the bow, we have great seating. Molded in backrest for your bow seats, storage under all the way around. A nice bow lounger. You can see all the upholstery is in nice condition on this boat. Armrests along both sides. We have a Razor light bar up above. Again, this is a 2023 Scout 305 LXF listed with Bryan McGlynn, MarineMax. This boat is off-site, so please give me a call directly at my cell to schedule a viewing. You can reach me at 561-635-6811. Thank you for watching.